Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, 25th of June, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mixed overnight, with the Dow Jones rising 0.29%, the S&P 500 declining 0.37%, and the Nasdaq Composite falling 1.32%. Weakness in major technology stocks weighed on sentiment, although easing geopolitical tensions and lower crude oil prices helped limit broader market losses, as investors now await key inflation data and corporate earnings for further direction. Asian markets are trading mostly positive today after stronger-than-expected corporate earnings and easing concerns around global growth. Japan's Nikkei is up around 3.7%. South Korea's Kospi has gained over 5% led by technology and semiconductor stocks, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng is trading in the red. Investors are now focused on upcoming U.S. inflation data and central bank commentary for further market direction. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,106, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading lower, as easing Middle East tensions and improving tanker movement through the Strait of Hormuz continue to reduce supply disruption concerns. However, OPEC Plus production discipline and steady global demand expectations are helping limit further downside. Gold prices remain under pressure as a stronger U.S. dollar and expectations of higher U.S. interest rates weigh on demand for the precious metal. Investors are now awaiting key U.S. inflation data and Federal Reserve commentary for further direction. Embassy Developments has signed an MOU with the Uttar Pradesh government to invest 1,500 crore rupees in premium real estate projects in Lucknow. The move highlights the company's expansion plans and confidence in the growing demand for high-quality residential and commercial developments in the region. HCLTech has announced multiple strategic partnerships, including collaborations with Neste for AI-driven operational efficiency, Nokia for specialized telecom network applications, and the Nagpur Municipal Corporation to create technology-enabled sports opportunities. These partnerships further strengthen HCLTech's presence across AI, telecom, and digital transformation initiatives. Tata Steel has infused 1,625 crore rupees into its wholly owned subsidiary, T Steel Holding Pte. Through the acquisition of 199 crore shares. The capital infusion is expected to support debt optimization and ongoing decarbonization efforts at the company's European operations, reinforcing its long-term sustainability strategy. Given the mixed cues from a mixed close in the U.S. markets, as well as the mixed to positive open for the Asian markets, Nifty is expected to open mostly flat, with a slight positive bias. Levels may be kept the same as what we mentioned in yesterday's post-market report, with supports being at 24,000, followed by 23,840, while resistances will be at 24,130, followed by 24,290. A positive bias may be expected at open, but a correction due to profit booking later in the trading session may not be ruled out. Indian markets may remain volatile due to concerns over a hawkish U.S. Federal Reserve stance, elevated global bond yields, a stronger U.S. dollar, fluctuating FII flows, rupee weakness, and uncertainty surrounding global growth prospects, particularly in China and Europe, easing crude oil prices, improving geopolitical conditions in the Middle East, sustained domestic institutional buying, strong corporate developments across real estate, technology, infrastructure, and manufacturing sectors, along with optimism around India's economic growth and earnings outlook, could continue to support investor sentiment and market momentum. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 1,843 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 3,637 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on June 25, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.